I'm going to talk to you about what you should expect on your return on your investment if you were to invest in real estate. So stick around and I'll tell you more about that. Welcome. Elizabeth Williams here, your residential mortgage expert with MegaStar Financial, America's most trusted mortgage company. So, what should you expect if you invest in real estate as far as a return on your investment? There are several different ways you might see a return on your investment, including appreciation, cash flow, debt paydown, and tax benefits. To break them down individually, starting with appreciation, over the last 100 years, we've seen real estate appreciate nationally at about 3% year over year. Over a recent 45-year period, 1974 to 2018, homes in Denver appreciated at 6.5% annually, and condos appreciated at 5.5% annually. So in Colorado, we're obviously appreciating at a higher rate than we are nationally. In 2020, which was an anomaly year, we saw a rate of appreciation of about 13.3% for single family detached homes. And in 2021, as of the date that I had these figures, we had appreciated at 17.9% year over year. So as you can see, in Denver, we're appreciating at an incredible rate. So if you were to take a conservative rate of appreciation of about 5% year over year, because you're looking at a long-term investment strategy, you could see a $450,000 home appreciate to almost $700,000 over a 10-year period. That would be equity earned of about $250,000 in a 10-year period. So now to discuss cash flow. Many people already understand cash flow, but it's the amount of income you earn above your expenses from the rent you receive. This particular return can be a little bit more difficult in Colorado because of the high cost of living here, but it's definitely doable with the right investment strategy. Debt paydown is something that people don't necessarily consider, but when you finance your property as your tenant makes rent payments and you make the mortgage, you'll be paying down your debt, which increases your equity on your investment. So if you started with a $450,000 purchase price and you have a loan for $337,500 over or after 10 years, if you have no appreciation and you make the standard mortgage payments, your debt will have decreased to $267,500, increasing your equity by about 60% to $182,500. Now, again, that's not considering any kind of rate of appreciation. That's strictly the debt paydown. So if we combine that with the equity you're earning from the rate of appreciation, using that same $250,000 you earned in equity over the 10-year period, your overall return on your investment in that 10 years would be about $430,000, which is definitely not bad considering that you probably started with about $112,000 of your own cash in this scenario. That's a 283% return on your investment over a 10-year period. Lastly, tax benefits are complicated to explain in detail, but the general idea is that you get to claim deductions on your taxes for depreciation and mortgage interest. Specific deductions would be determined based on the property that you're invested in and your tax bracket, but can result in at least a few $1,000s in additional deductions for each property you own. As always, if you have any questions about any of these that I've outlined here or anything else, I'm happy to help. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. If you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you know anybody that would benefit from this information, please feel free to share. I look forward to connecting soon.